Morning everybody, Woody here. Right, well, it appears that I have finally got myself some employment. So I'm going to put the Triumph up on the stand. I'm going to fit some little devices on the front guard that apparently put out a noise that shoos kangaroos and other animals away when you're riding. We have had these on the Falcon for quite some time and they've done a pretty good job. We did get hit the last time, but they need to be kept clean as they're kind of like a whistle, and I hadn't kept them clean, so it may well have been my fault that didn't work. Anyway, as you can see by the picture on the screen in front of you, I have changed the clamp at the front of the bike lift to one of those automatic ones that you see in the trailers and utes. I just find it's much easier to use, and it also gives me access to more of the wheel when I'm cleaning. So I'll pop her up there and I'll let you see how it goes. The bike will actually stand there by itself, but of course I'd never leave it there like that. Right now, these are called the Auto King animal repellers. They, oh heck, where are you? They look a bit like that. They have double-sided tape which sticks on the bottom of them, and then they stick up there, like that. Well, it seems to have a bit of movement in it. I'm hoping I can tighten him up. Let these stay facing forward. That's that one. I come round and I will try and get the other one. In the same sort of space. I reckon it's going to have to be there now because it's started to stick. Well, I don't particularly like the look of them at all. They don't look like they've stuck very well. I was probably a bit harsh there, and the fact they didn't want to come off means maybe they will come alright. But I don't know, I mean it's better than nothing. I've got a 60-kilometre ride at 5:30 in the morning, so it'll be alright till winter and spring, but we'll see how it goes then. Right, now comes the chain, and it appears that the chain is far, far worse off than I thought it was. I hadn't realised. But anyway, we'll tighten it up as much as we can. And yeah, that might be something that one of my first playing goes to. Okay, so I've jacked her off a bit, I've lightened off the nut, I'm just adjusting this. I'm going to come back to the centre of the third slot in and see how it goes. Right, a bit more. Well, it's definitely too much. That's well, that seems to be right. I'll just tighten this up. I'll ball the chain. Third one. Third one. Put a bit of chain lube on while she's up in the air. And there we go. And that is my penrite chain lube robe. I know that people will argue that you need to check with the bike upright with you sitting on it for your chain. The owner's manual for the Triumph actually says to check on the side stand with no one on it. I'm happy with that. It's a lot better than what it was. So, got that tied off. And just back them off without tension off them. And yeah, so there we go. I got my shoeroos on, my chain nice and tight, and lubed. So, yeah, that's how it is for now. I'll let you know how it goes.